What's the meaning of colcannon? Colcannon. Colcannon.
Colcannon. Colcannon. Colcannon is a traditional Irish dish made by combining mashed potatoes, kale or cabbage, onions, and butter. The ingredients are boiled separately and then mashed together to create a hearty and flavorful dish that is popular during the fall and winter months. The resulting dish has a creamy texture from the mashed potatoes and a slightly bitter taste from the kale or cabbage. Colcannon is often served as a side dish with meat or as a meal on its own, and it is a beloved part of Irish cuisine.